Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to run a PHP program in Zen. The main topics which I am covering here: what is PHP, what is Zen, how to install Zen, and how to run PHP program in Zen. So what is PHP? It is a simple server scripting language, server-side scripting language, widely used, freely available, open source, and general purpose scripting language, especially suited to web development and website development. To run PHP for the web, you need to install a web server like Apache, and for database connectivity, you need MySQL. So, what is XAMPP and why it is used? XAMPP is a cross-platform application and can be used for any operating system. It is free, open source, freely available, and developed by Apache friends. XAMPP comes with extra features like supporting of Perl, FileZilla, Mercury Mail, and some other scripts. It is simple, lightweight, and easy to use for developers in creating local web server. So the main feature of XAMPP, it's a cross-platform. It supports many operating systems. That's why we are using XAMPP in our development. So how you can install XAMPP? You need to go this link and download XAMPP from here. Select the installation directory and the components which are necessary. Here Apache server and MySQL is necessary for us, and you can choose the directory where your software going to be installed. After installing the software, you need to make a PHP program. For that, open Notepad++ or Notepad and write this code. Write this code on your Notepad. After writing this code, save it with any name having extension .php. This is the PHP file, that's why its extension is PHP. In my case, welcome.php. I am writing this code and saving with the name of welcome.php. And then select the path from your C drive where your XAMPP is available, XAMPP, and within this XAMPP, htdocs folder is available, and within this folder you should save your source code PHP file. You can make your own folder also, or you can directly save within htdocs folder this program. After saving on this location, you need to start your control panel, XAMPP control panel. Start your XAMPP control panel. You can search it by giving name as XAMPP control panel. The control panel will be available here, and then run it. And within this control panel, you need to start Apache and MySQL server. These two components you need to start. When it is in green signal, it means that these two servers are running properly. After that, open any browser, type here http localhost, and now you get the dashboard of the PHP MyAdmin. For running your PHP code, you need to type this line on the address bar of the browser: http://localhost slash welcome.php. Welcome.php is the name of your PHP code, and when everything is okay, then output will look like this. So this is the simple step to run PHP program by using XAMPP. Okay, thank you.